I will now demonstrate how to use your Radionic Pendulum Kit to perform a manifestation experiment. Start out with the copper plate and the radionic image, the Sri Yantra, and a representation of your target. Again, photograph, fingernail, strand of hair, image. And if none of those things are present, the name and date of birth and the city and state where that person lives. In this case, I just wrote John down, and put that on top of your radionic image, on top of your witness plate. And again, awareness and attention is paramount. So now you focus your awareness on your target. Now I indicated John Doe, but I'm going to replace John Doe and use someone that I know. Again, let's use my niece's photo. And my intent, my awareness is of my niece, and my intent is to bring prosperity to my niece, and prosperity for what's best for her. I don't necessarily know what's best for her. It could be a new position, a new job. It could be a new career path. It could be more money. What I would do is focus on manifesting that which is most in need for her. And as I'm speaking with you, you can see my pendulum start moving in the direction of infusing that energy into my niece. I'm speaking with you as I am beginning my visualization. And it is somewhat of a challenge to do the two at the same time. I'm picturing my niece sitting in a chair directly in front of me. I'm imagining my niece smiling and happy and full of joy. I am imagining my niece feeling prosperous, healthy, and full of life. With conscious intention, I call on the universe and all those that are charged to aid me with harm to no one and for the greater good of all. I ask that you bring blessings to my niece in such a way that it is ideal and for the best in all ways for her at this time. When my assistance in aiding my niece is complete in this working, please give me an indication of yes. The counterclockwise motion is slowing. And I'm now getting a yes indication that my work or my assistance in this working is done. So that is a demonstration on how to conduct a prosperity manifestation for a target. Whenever you're doing a healing or prosperity experiment, it's always good to spend a few minutes, or as long as you intuitively feel, to meditate, to pray, to contemplate, to think of that target and that desired state. If it's a healing, imagine or meditate on that person being healed. If it's prosperity, imagine or visualize that person in comfort, in ease, in joy. And when you complete that meditation, that contemplation, that prayer, or whatever it is that works best for you to bring your awareness to the target, then sit for the pendulum working. I hope this is helpful. Trust me and believe in God.